What's going on, everybody? So today I got a house wash with flat work. Get these stairs, these rails, see the cobwebs. Knock out the porch. All of this is gonna be cleaned up. Siding, more cobwebs. Yep. Get all of it on the porch. Get up in there. Hit the ceiling. Come over here. Some more cobwebs. It's a wasp nest. I'm gonna have to knock that down. They don't look active, thankfully. And then all dirty. Siding. No oxidation. Just dirty. So setting up now. About to tape out some of the outlets and then get going. All right, y'all. I'm gonna check back in with y'all later. So I'm about to go ahead and pre-treat these steps and this flat work, and then just go ahead and start working my way on the siding. And then I'm gonna work my way outside these soffits and gutters. Hey, as always, I appreciate y'all for stopping by. I don't know if I just popped up randomly on your timeline, or you're a subscriber, or you found me some other way. Anyway, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I hope I make your time worth it. So this is my client's home. She actually found me through a local community Facebook group. And so she reached out and said, hey, I need a quote for my porch. And so came through, and you already saw how dirty it was. I mean, it's in this very wooded area, if that's what you call it. And so it's going to attract a lot of insects and things of that nature. So right now I'm just applying the cleaning solution. It's a very light mix of SH with a little bit of soap and just hitting all those dirty areas. So, the biggest thing about soft washing is you just let the chemical do its work, because, when it comes to siding and, just very fragile materials, you don't want to apply a lot of pressure. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just let this sit for about 15 minutes, and then I just work my way over to the stairs. So as that chemical was sitting on the house inside the porch, I came out to do the concrete, and just straightforward with the wine. Got the 360 turbo nozzle, just going back and forth, and it made a huge difference at the end. And so right now I'm just blowing the dirt off and the leaves and all of that stuff that's been built up over time. All right, the concrete's been taken care of now. It's time to rinse everything down. Getting everything removed off the porch. You can already see just the transformation from the first the first glimpse that you got, and now here's the after, y'all. So everything is nice and clean. My client came out, she was super excited. She was just like, I just love the way the porch is just sparkling. And hey, thanks again for watching. I enjoyed your company. Hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on for more updates, just the journey, more satisfying cleanings and all that good stuff. So until next time, take care. I gotta go find something else to clean, y'all.